What's up, everybody? Welcome back to York Reacts, and today we're going to be checking out some amazing inventions, and I cannot wait to take a look because when I was a kid I always thought maybe I'd be some inventor, and I still do to this day, right? I mean, at any moment you could become an inventor. You can create something, and we all get those ideas of, you'll be doing something in the house and an idea will just spark, and you're like, oh my god, I need to do this, I need to create this. And then later on you find out someone's already done it or whatever, right? Well, these are some amazing new inventions that most likely have not been invented yet. And these are some revolutionary new, electronics and things and tech. So without further ado, let's take a look, shall we? Polymer safety barriers. All right, let's see these puppies. Oh, nice. Much better. This alone will, that alone will save lives. Oh, this is cool. I've seen some stuff like this where like the new stadiums and it's all mechanical and moves around, and as you can tell, you can see everyone in the background like moved out of the way. It's probably super dangerous. So, and if something was to go wrong, it's probably very expensive, but these are cool. So cool. Look at that. Wow. Comment below if you have something like this in your school, or you have something similar to this that's an automated system in somewhere you work or somewhere you go to school or something, because I'd be very interested in finding out kind of that, to see if there's other places in the world that have stuff like this. The PowerPod is a revolutionary concept of paragliding pod harness. Wouldn't this be amazing? Look at this. Wow. Yes. Oh, look at that. I don't know about you guys, but there is something special about being up, way up in the air, and being almost feeling alone and just floating and seeing the world. There's nothing like it. It's absolutely magical. There's a certain experience you get from it that you just can't get from being way up high like that. I've been what do you call it? Not paragliding, but zip lining. And we went to Mexico, and when we were zip lining in Mexico, if I can find a clip, I'll put it up. But wow, you're flying through there, and the one we went to was like 100 feet above I don't know how, we were way above the trees, and the trees were super tall. So it felt dangerous, but oh, the thrill of it. You feel like a bird just flying through. I love this stuff. If I ever get a chance, I would love to do this. Look at this one to help this guy move tires. This is cool. Such a simple device too. If you look at that, that's not really like complicated really. It's just helping you lift, and wow, look at that. So this is cool. This like 3D printed shoe. Check this out. A German designer and architect, Stephan Henrich. Look at this, designed this. It's printed on the rubber like Sintratec elastomer. Look how cool these are. Wow. I want a pair of these shoes. These are so cool. And I bet they feel trippy, like as you're you can see they got like this like reptilian skin like overlap feel to them, right? Those are cool. This is, I think, my favorite invention so far on this video. Look how cool those are. Yeah, I'm using that for the thumbnail for sure. Those are so cool. Smart lock, I need that for my office. Just don't let my kid in. Alright, what do we got here? Drop the spa bathtub mat in a tub of kids. Oh, that's cool. You drop this little... Oh, that's cool. I like that. Whoa, it even heats it up too, or what? No, probably not. You heat the water. That's cool. Ooh. This powerful sprinkler comes with a wide sensor that prevents anyone getting wet. Interesting. Oh, it's stuck. How does it know that it's a person though? Probably stops on trees as well when you need it to. Here we go. See, this type of automation stuff, see, this is what I was thinking about earlier, is that some of these you really need to have devices to make a job realistically get done and not take thousands of man hours and time, right? So like when you're working at a stadium or you're working at these big venues, you can't have like 100 seats and have to move the seats in order to get to, no. You have a system like this. Same with this, when you're laying down the grass. This is cool, this is clever, I like it. It's pretty neat. Look at that. Simple too. You can see it's a simple idea. It just goes up and pushes the grass. That's all it's doing. But it's more powerful than a human. More powerful than a locomotive. Oh man. I think my favorite one so far is the shoe. This nail clipper is ergonomic design, comfortable hold. Of course, the nail clipper that clips your nails and keeps the nails inside. Yeah, I had that invention a while ago too. Remember I told you about this? This is a simple thing. I mentioned that exact same invention. Like, and everyone has these conclusions. Like, you're cutting your nails and they're flipping all over the place. And we've had the same type of nail cutter and trimmer for decades, eons. Why has no one invented it, right? Well, there's one. And look, most likely no one's going to use it. Everyone's just still going to use the old school one for like $5 at Walgreens and call it a day. Some inventions are brilliant, but people like almost don't care. They're so used to the way that they're living that they will still do it the old-fashioned way, even though there's unique and faster ways to do it. So I don't get humans sometimes, but that's just how we are, I guess. Stubborn. Seeker R1 features a powerful 4K modular action camera and a smart lighting system. Oh, this is for like a safety thing for bicyclists. It creates a digital cycle safe zone that warns other motorists that they are driving too close to you. That's pretty cool. And that's it, huh? Awesome. Those are pretty neat. I have to admit though, the ones that I like the most are like the shoe. The shoe was so cool. I could, you know, see that coming to fruition and coming into, you know, the real world pretty soon. Some inventions like that are hard to get in though, because it's like one of those things, it could ruin someone's walk gait and have their posture or something. We don't know until over time you use a new shoe like that, right? But these inventions are cool. Let me know what you thought about these and what your favorite one was below, because I'd love to see which one you think is your favorite. And let me know, like I said, if you've had some idea that you thought was a, you know, oh, I have an idea, I'm gonna invent that, and you come across, and of course somebody else has invented it before you, because it's such a natural thing for humans. So I'm curious if it's happened to you as well. Hopefully you've liked this video. If you have, I appreciate your like and support, and if you haven't already, hit subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.